Yeah. So actually today I will discuss about that Axe Dev tool. So actually this Axe Dev tool is we will use for the accessibility purpose. So whenever we are opening one page, see what exactly happening in that page. See, so whenever we are opening the page, in the page it will be showing some logo, some items. For example, if we are opening the Snapdeal, okay. For example, if we are opening the Snapdeal, okay. See, if we are opening the Snapdeal application, whenever we are entering a www.snapdeal.com, okay, what exactly happening in that? In that, it will be showing their Snapdeal items and all this thing. It will be showing, right? So at a time, how we will validate, how we will test in the Snapdeal tool. So accessibility testing means we are able to access the URL or not. How it will be showing, right? It will be showing, right?
అమౌంట్లు చెప్పావంటే నేను ఒప్పుకోను చెప్తున్నా అమౌంట్లు చెప్పు.
Yeah. See, so like how the accessibility testing is working means, could you please share the screen, Vivek? Could you please share your screen? Okay, so this is the very important. This is a small technique. Okay, in the real time, all people are using. Okay, and Axe Dev tool, just wait. Yeah, hi Satish, please unmute. Yeah. See, so open the new tab. Open the new tab. Go to the Chrome. Open the Chrome, Vivek. Open the Chrome.
Chrome, okay.
Click on.
Already we are in Chrome itself.
No. Click on Chrome. Click on Chrome. You are in the edge here. Click on Chrome. Below taskbar is there, see? Yeah. Maximize.
Taskbar.
కరెక్టే, దాన్ని మ్యాక్సిమైజ్ చేయమా.
యా, నాకు అక్కడ మీద అవి కంట్రోలింగ్ సిస్టమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి.
కంట్రోల్ ఆఫ్
Give me access to me. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Done.
Yeah, please enter snapdeal.com. Snapdeal.com. Open the Snapdeal. Okay, so see, like here, see, it will be opening some UI of this Snapdeal, right? So we didn't log in and we didn't do anything. Just we are opening that login. We are opening that URL, right? So see what exactly happening here. Now I want to see how the GUI is happening, how the UI is happening, and how the UI is happening, how the alignment is happening. I want to check. So it is a time taken process, right? So at a time I'm not able to scan all this area, right? At a time I'm not able to scan the entire UI, right? But in this purpose, accessibility, how the accessibility is showing here, how the accessibility how the appearance available, how the appearance is viewed to the user. Okay, so now we are able to see this Snapdeal, all these things, right? So accessibility testing purpose, we are using two tools. One is JAS, second one is Axe Dev tool. Okay, so this Axe Dev tool is licensed version, but free trial we are able to fetch something. We are able to use some areas only. Whenever we are buy something, we are able to scan. We will be able to scan the entire page. Could you please open another tab, Vivek? Yeah. Could you write Axe Dev tool, AXE? Please write above. Axe Dev tool, Axe space. Yeah, Dev tool. Yes, click on that. Yes, click on that. Yeah, one extension is showing here. Yeah, come down. Nisha, could you please click on it?
Sorry.
Yeah. No, go up. Yes, second one, second link. Click on web accessibility testing. Web accessibility testing. Yeah. So it will be showing some extension, Vivek. Could you add that extension here? Add to Chrome. Add to Chrome.
Extensions.
Yeah,
No.
extension
Shall I
is
write
showing,
it
na?
here?
Right.
No.
Add to
Right.
ఇక్కడ
Chrome.
ఉందా చూసుకురా నో
Please
నో
click on the. Please click on the add to Chrome.
యాడ్ టు డెవ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా యాడ్
Right
టు
side.
డెవ్
Please come to the right side. I think you are.
The Zoom call.
No. Go back side. Go to back.
Add to Chrome. Okay.
Autogram blue box. Yeah.
Yeah. Add extension. Add extension. Yeah. It will be added into the Chrome. It will be added automatically. Okay. This is the one extension is required for that accessibility testing with using up the Axe tool. Okay. Now you can open the Snapdeal in the another tab. We are extension, right? We did the just now we did the extension, right? Now open the another tab. Open the Snapdeal.
Already had a long opened it.
Yeah. Now again, no. Open the Snapdeal. Snapdeal. Open the URL. See, this is a very beautiful feature to scan entire page. Okay, click on right click inspect. Otherwise, Control Shift I. Inspect. Yeah. Go to network tab is there now, Vivek. Right side, it will be showing the network tab, right? So click on arrow marks. Arrow marks is there, right side. Yeah. Click on that. In that, Axe Dev Tool is showing. Axe Dev Tool.
Yeah.
Please, yes.
Shall I
Right.
click on it?
Yes, click on that. Yeah. See, accept, start using Axe Dev Tool. Here, please write your quality test engineer tester. Select the tester in the drop down. Yes. Start using Axe Dev Tool. Okay. Now see, second one is scan part of my page. It is the locked version. See, whenever we are pay some amount, at the time it will be enable. Now it will be disabled. We are not able to operate this entire thing. So how the page, see? So page is, first one is scan all of my pages.
All my page.
Okay. It will be, there is no any restriction. There is no any lock. Why? Because it will be free trial. Okay. When we are buy something, we are able to scan particular area. But now we not required. We don't require. First we can go through with that free trial version. Okay. Click on the scan all my pages. See, how many issues are available here? Total issues 193.
193.
Okay. Could you please open, click on the 160 issues? 160 issues below. See where exactly we are getting. Yeah, 160. Click on that.
Arrow marker. It's
Just click on that arrow mark. In that arrow, we are getting all 160. Yeah. So 1 by 160 means first issue. 1 by 160 is first issue. Could you please click on the highlight, Vivek, here? Click on highlight. Yeah. See where exactly it will be showing. See, another click on that highlight one more time. Highlight. Yeah, see in left side. Where exactly it will be showing. Click on highlight. Yeah. So see, here it will be showing a border line. It is showing with a border line. See, all pink line is showing here. Are you able to see?
That common text.
Yet, right? So in the left side page, pink line is showing. The pink line is the issue.
right.
Pink line is the issue.
Okay.
Some border line. So go to the second one. Click on next arrow. Yes. Now click on highlight.
Already it is in.
Yeah.
moving
Second
your
highlight is
card.
showing. Second highlight is showing. What is showing?
Payment issue.
Street
Payment. In the
between
payment issue.
background colors. So showing something. Right? So alignment is not correct here. It will be showing. See, it will be showing that alert message also. Okay, this is the HTML page also. It will be showing at the back end. We are missing something. Okay, next go to the third one. Okay, see, next one also it will be showing, right? Secured place. So what exactly it will be showing? Please read this one. Ensure that contrast between foreground and background
Foreground,
means
background,
Meets
minimum
colors
contact
meet
ratio. So it
WAG,
will be showing some suggestion.
minimum contrast.
Yeah.
ratio.
So we are as a tester, we are able to see this thing in the real time. No, this is a minor mistake, right? We can't able to find out this thing. But Axe Dev tool
Yeah.
is find out in the small issues also. This is the beauty of the Axe Dev tool. Okay, if the Axe Dev tool scan the entire page, in the entire page, whatever is missing, whatever the minor mistake is missing, it will be find out. It should find out. So that's why nowadays some companies are using this Axe Dev tool. This is the beautiful feature for that scan the entire page within the smart time.
One
Okay.
short period
Yeah.
you can scan
In the
full
short
pages.
period, we can scan the entire page and we can find out a lot of issues, minor, major issues. So please check 3 to 10. Go to click on third one, fourth one,
Fourth one.
fourth issue. Yeah, see here.
కానీ అన్నిటికీ ఒకటే
100%
వస్తుంది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎన్షూర్ ద
payment
కాంట్రాస్ట్
production
బిట్వీన్ ఇక్కడ
is
Yeah,
మనకి
please
అది
speak in English. Speak in English. Click on another one.
Yeah.
See, click on another one. It will be not showing everything. It will be showing to each and every page and every field. It is not showing same defect to the all, right?
there highlights only between the background issues itself only contrast ratio.
Yeah. See, so this way we are troubleshooting. So next go to click on another tab, open that Amazon, and you can try one more time. Amazon. Next to Sharmika, you can share your screen.
పైన sources దగ్గర.
Yeah, click on source above where you are seeing Vivek elements, console, source, right side,
Source.
double arrow, Axe Dev
Next.
tool, scan all pages. Yeah, see, just wait. Okay. Here also you are able to scan entire thing, right? So Sharmika, are you ready to share the screen? Sharmika, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just wait. I will give the time.
Hmm.
See, we are able to see entire thing, right? So it will be scanning the entire page. 45 issues are there.
45
Okay.
issues.
Okay, remove this one. Sharmika, okay, this way you can
sir.
do Vivek. Sharmika, share your screen and show to me.
Okay, sir.
Axe Dev tool extension you can add.
Hmm.
Axe Dev tool. We don't have the time. Please complete within the time. Axe Dev tool.
Okay.
Space.
Yes, good.
సార్ ఇది కమెంట్ చెప్పండి సార్ కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్
Control Shift I.
I control shift I.
Control shift.
Add extension. Add to Chrome. Yes. Yeah. Add extension. Open Snapdeal. Very good. Open Snapdeal. It will be added or not?
Added, I think so. So here it is showing.
Yes. Okay. Good. Open Snapdeal.
Yeah.
Right click. Inspect.
1 second, sir. The images are not. The system is selected.
Yeah, it will be added.
Yeah, sir, my net is slow. 1-2 minutes. Will wait.
We don't have the time, man.
But
It's already
Yeah.
completed maybe.
Click on right click, inspect, inspect,
yes, yes.
inspect, inspect.
Normal.
Yeah, network. Yes, go there.
Sir, the
The tax tool is not coming here. Memory after. Okay, so this way you
The
people are
arrow mark
the session is completed. Yes, click on Axdev tool.
are asked.
tableau command elag sir adi.
Axdev tool. Click on Axdev tool. Yeah, this
Only
way
on
you are
keyboard.
In the box.
Right side top. Right side.
This way people are practice. Okay, if you have
Yeah.
any query, please comment in that.